Why does everybody not like me? Why won't anybody trust me? I just wanna be a boy like boys do. So how do we go? We are boys, we are strong. How do we stand? We stand strong, and you won't understand. You won't stand. You won't understand the lie. You won't understand. Being a boy is not that easy. Let me give you some tips of being a boy. You and your hair gets caught. It hurts really bad. Hurts really bad. It hurts really bad. Really, really, really bad. Oh, really bad.